Good day everyone, and welcome to EU Gadgets. Today, we're talking about a little gadget that's revolutionizing the way we think about health and wellness, the Oura Ring 4. Small in size but massive in impact. Stick around as we explore what makes this ring a must-have for tech and health enthusiasts alike.
So, what's the Oura Ring all about? At its core, the Oura Ring is a smart health tracker, designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. It looks like an elegant ring, but don't let its minimal design fool you. This tiny device is packed with cutting-edge technology. It monitors your sleep, tracks your activity, keeps an eye on your heart rate, and even provides insights into your overall wellness. Think of it as having a personal health coach wrapped around your finger.
Now, let's talk about the Oura Ring 4, the latest and greatest version. What sets it apart? For starters, the upgraded sensors are more accurate than ever, giving you precise readings on everything from your oxygen levels to heart rate variability. The new real-time temperature tracking is perfect for keeping tabs on your health, especially during seasonal changes. Plus, it now offers more personalized insights through its enhanced app integration. And the cherry on top? Improved battery life that lasts up to 7 days on a single charge. Let's not forget about design, because who wants to wear something uncomfortable all day? The Oura Ring 4 is made with lightweight titanium, offering a sleek, stylish look while being practically unnoticeable on your finger. Whether you're at the gym, in a meeting, or out for a night on the town, it blends in perfectly. Alright, so you might be wondering, is the Oura Ring 4 worth the hype? Well, if you're serious about improving your health, optimizing your sleep, or staying on top of your fitness goals, this ring is a game changer. It's an investment in your well-being, backed by science and trusted by athletes, CEOs, and health enthusiasts worldwide. There you have it, folks, a full breakdown of the Oura Ring 4. It's smart, stylish, and a fantastic tool for staying in tune with your body. What do you think? Could this be your next health companion? Let me know in the comments below.